Question 24. Diagram 14 below shows the relationship between the lengths of two springs, W and X, when stretched by different forces. So this is W, this is X. This is a graph of force against extension. So using the equation F equals to Kx, our y-axis is force, x-axis is extension. Therefore, the gradient will represent spring constant. So this line has a higher gradient because it is steeper. So higher spring constant. This line, since lower gradient, lower spring constant. So the spring with a higher spring constant will be the stiffer spring. Lower spring constant, it can extend easily, less stiff. So which comparison is correct? A. Spring W is harder than spring X. Yes. Spring W is actually the stiffer spring since it has a higher spring constant. B. The spring constant of spring X is higher. No. Spring X has a lower spring constant. The original length of spring W is longer than spring X? No, this one we don't know, they never say. To stretch 1 cm, work done on spring W is smaller than on spring X. Okay, let's see. So let's say 1 cm is here. So the work done is represented by area under the graph. So here we can actually see that the area under the X graph is actually smaller compared to the area under the W graph. So W has done more work. So work done on spring W is bigger. So the answer is A.